Hello, today we're going to be talking about evaluating a Riemann sum for the function f of x equals x squared plus 1, taking right endpoints, letting a be 0, b be 4, and n equal 4. So let's state what we're given. We are given f of x to be x squared plus 1. We know that a equals 0, b equals 4, and n equals 4. Now the Riemann sum is the sigma, capital sigma, I equals 1 to 4 of delta x f of xi. Now since we're using, or first of all, delta x is defined as b minus a over n. And since we are using right endpoints, xi is going to be a plus delta xi. So what we want to do is find each one of these values, and we will then be able to find this Riemann sum. So delta x is going to be b, which is 4, minus a, which is 0, all over n, which is 4. So we get 4 over 4, which is 1. So that means my delta x is 1. Now, my x1 is going to be a, which is 0, plus delta x, which is 1, times 1, because my index is 1, and we get 1. And then we similarly do this for x2, which is 2, x3, which is 3, and x4, which is 4. So now I know what my delta x is, and I know what f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, and f of x4 is. So to continue on, we have I goes from 1 to 4 of 1 times f of xi is the same as f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4. And so f of 1 is going to be 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus f of 2, which is 4 plus 1, which is 5, plus 3 squared, 9 plus 1, which is 10, plus 4, 16 plus 1 is 17. And so then I add all these numbers up, and I get 34. So that means the Riemann sum for this function over the interval 0 to 4 with 4 subrectangles with right endpoints is 34.